Good morning, students. Today we are going to do something that's new and it's very easy. The topic is alphabetical order. Now you know all your alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Correct? This is the order of the alphabets. F is written here. G, H here, H. So H is written. The word starting with H is written here. I, J, K, L, M, N here. The word starting with N is written here. O, then P. So this is the order based on when each and every first alphabet is different. See here it's starting P, B, H, F, N. So each and every first alphabet was different. So you look only at the first alphabet and then say your alphabets and arrange them accordingly. Okay. Now in case first alphabet is the same, all the words are starting with the same or begin with the same alphabet, then what? In case the first alphabet of all the words is the same, then you have to consider the alphabetical order of the second alphabets. So you have to look at the second alphabet. See, I have darkened it, made it in bold. So this is all starting with P. So you're not going to look at the first alphabet. You're going to look at the second alphabet. Okay. So same way, A, B, C, D, E, F, A. So you're starting with A, second alphabet. So you'll write this full word, paper, because now you're not looking at the first alphabet. Paper first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, here H. So you'll write this word. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So you'll write this word. P, Q, R. You'll write this word. S, T, U. So you'll write this word. Okay. So that's the way you'll write. And in case there are two, the first and the second both are the same, then you will look at the third alphabet. See, in case the first two alphabets of all the letters are the same, then you have to consider the alphabetical order of the third letters of all the words. Each and every word, you will look at the third alphabet, not the first, not the second, because everyone's alphabets are the same. See here. Like printing, prose, practice, prune, both, press, see, both start. All of these start with PR. So you look at the third, same way. You say your alphabets A. So here A. So you write this first. A, B, C, D, E here. So you'll write this second. F, G, H, I, J, K, I. You'll write this here. After that, then O here, O, and then last word remaining is prune. Is it clear? So you have to check first whether all the first alphabets are different or few of them, maybe two may be the same. So you first handle those, which word you have to look at. Clear? Okay. Now we do the exercise. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Pot, pan, put, pin, pet. Violin, berry, vulture, vein, vocation. Leaf, legal, letter, lessons, lemon, woman, mother, daughter, sister, girl. Now in this all are different, so you look at the first alphabet. Over here also the first alphabet is the same, first two alphabets are the same, so you look at the third. Here the first is the same, so you look at the second alphabet. Here also the first alphabet is same, so you will see the second alphabet. Eyes, eggs, eyes, ears, eels, elves. Here the first alphabet is the same, so you consider the second alphabet. Gold, silver, copper, tin, lead. Here all are different, so you will look at the first alphabet. Here pneumonia, perfect, painter, people, patient. Here if you see this, they all start with the same alphabet. Okay, all start with P, but they are second. Look at the second. Now this is starting with N, this is starting with E, this is starting with A, this is starting with E, and again A. So you have two which are the same, starting with A. Correct? No? These two are starting with A. So you will see which alphabet you will see these two first, because theirs is the first alphabet. Now among these two, which you will write first? To see that, you will see the third alphabet. So third alphabet here is I and third alphabet here is T. So here naturally this will come first because I comes before T. After writing painter, then you will write the word patient. Then you will see these two, both their second alphabets are the same, that is E. So now you look at their third alphabet. This starts with R and this is O. So which comes first? LMNOPQ, R, element O. So people you will write, then you will write perfect. And the only thing left is pneumonia. Okay. So next, squirrel, sheep, swallow, seal, starfish. So don't look at the first because everyone's first is the same. Then which, when, why, what, who. Your first two alphabets are same. Third, this, that, these, those, these, there. The first two alphabets are same. So you look at the third. Here also the first two alphabets are same. So you look at the third alphabet. Quiet, question, quench, quiet, quiet. This is quiet and this is quiet. Q. Then political, economic, social, cultural, global. Cleaning, washing, cooking, feeding, bathing. Glue, glass, brown, brand, grass. Surgeon, surgery, suffer, surround, successful. Okay, and I think this is over. Yes, so you can do this, it's not very difficult. In case you have a doubt, you can always ask me. I'm there. Thank you. Do have a good day and do your homework sincerely.